back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Bright Green Corporation. And today the stock is down about 4%, trading at $10.08. So the last time yesterday the stock closed at $10.50. So it opened up today a bit lower at $10.05, and right now it is trading at $10.08. So 52-week range for this stock is from $5.60 all the way up to $58. Just to remind you guys, what does Bright Green Corporation do? So Bright Green Corporation is licensed by the government to grow and process and sell medical cannabis. And it doesn't end there. They also have the license to legally export cannabis and cannabis products. So it's a company that is working within the framework of federal and state legislation, and I believe it is based out of Florida. So the main thing that they do with the products that they grow is, of course, do clinical research. And that research, of course, is to see how the medications or the derivatives of the products, the plants that they grow, can benefit humans. And so they have that license, and where it's legal within states to grow and process and handle these products, they can do that. But remember, it's not legal in all states in the United States, even though some federal laws might say it's legal. So bear that in mind if you are looking at the Bright Green Corporation. Now they got listed on the stock exchange on the 17th of May. So that's not too far ago, not too long ago. Today is the 26th of May 2022. And within that short span of time, you guys can see on your screen, the stock ran up all the way to $58, and then it started this slow and steady decline. Right now it's trading at $9.99, and as you guys can clearly see, the trend is downward after it peaked on about May 18th. That's the day after it got listed, and from then onwards it's just been a slow steady decline. And we don't know if it's going to reverse this anytime soon. Having those federal and state authorizations to do research and also possibly export cannabis or cannabis products, it's very important for many companies, and they have that permit, and it's quite important for the kind of work they're doing, the research and so on. So that's just to give you guys a kind of heads up on what exactly is going on with Bright Green Corporation. Apart from that, we don't have any corporate information, no PR or anything of that nature. All what we know is just that the company got listed on the 17th of May, and today we are on today is the 26th, so barely 10 days on the stock market, and they've gone all the way to the moon, and they are now on their way downward. We do hope that people invested in this company don't lose their money. I think at some point there might be, kind of a recovery. If you look at the top of your screen, you can see those major indices of Wall Street: S&P 500, the Dow 30, Nasdaq, Russell 2000. All of those are in the green and doing very well. Yesterday we had the Chairman Powell. He came out with the minutes of the last meeting of the Federal Reserve, and of course we all knew, and it was confirmed that money will be getting tighter to borrow. They are hiking interest rates at 0.5 percentage point for the month of June and also the month of July, and that was totally expected. So it basically says that money and liquidity will be hard to come by, and that is just to curb the rampant inflation that is taking place right now in the US economy. So With that being said, it's very difficult to look into the future and predict where this stock for the stock of Bright Green Corporation is gonna go in the next months, next weeks, months, years. But what we have seen is that this stock is quite volatile. If you look at the market capitalization of the company, it's right now at $1.60 billion, and the volume today is really timid at 358,000 shares that have exchanged hands, and we have close to 5 hours till the closing bell. Average volume for a typical day would be about 4.1 million shares that would exchange hands. So relatively speaking, and looking at how far we have gone in the market today, I would say that the trades that are taking place are a bit subdued, and it's quieter than what we normally see with the stock of Bright Green Corporation. However, that doesn't mean that a lot is not taking place. It's probably people who have already bought and they are just sitting on their shares, knowing that maybe in a week, 2 weeks time, this stock is gonna take off again. With the volatility we've seen with Bright Green Corporation, I should say, don't be surprised that one day you wake up and you see the stock is up 50%. Why not even 100%? We've seen that happen with a few stocks every day. If you look carefully, you would see some stocks double, some go 100%, 120, 30%. So it's exceptional, but nothing that is super rare. So I think some of the investors in Bright Green Corporation are counting on the long term and hoping that they get a good return on their investment. So that's what I had to share with you guys today. Thank you for those who recently subscribed to the channel. Your presence here, it means a lot to me, and also I very much appreciate when you guys leave your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one of them, and they also inform me about the next kind of videos that I should be making. So thanks for your contribution, and that's what I had to share with you guys. I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now, and see you on the next video.